In this video, I will show you how to plot a scatter graph on Microsoft Excel. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, just open any document and then click on Insert tab. After that, just select your all the data, and here on the charts option, you can find scatter plot. Just click here and then select any design. If I select it, and that's it. You can see scatter graph has been inserted successfully. Also, if you want to customize your data, you have to just select the cell that you want to customize and then retype it. Just press enter and that's it. Also, if you want to customize your graph, just select it and then you can find two tabs: chart design and format. From here you can change your graph style. Just click here and then select any style, and from here you can change colors. Just select any color and it's done. And that is how you can plot a scatter graph on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.